Every day, more and more people are fed up with the major social networks. From concerns around privacy, censorship, and demonetisation, it's no wonder why people are mad. Thankfully, there's a new idea called Federated Social Networking that could change the way we interact online. Federated social networks are different to traditional social networks as the hosting is split up between different providers. Think of it like email. You can choose your provider for email like Gmail, Outlook or ProtonMail, while still being able to message people from other providers. This is how federated social networks operate. You choose the provider you like the best and can still communicate with people who use a different provider. But why is this so important? Well, it gives you freedom. Freedom from platforms that you don't like. For example, if you disagreed with Facebook's privacy policy and wanted to delete your account, you would no longer be able to communicate with your Facebook friends or leave comments on Facebook posts. With a federated social network, you could simply move to a provider with a better privacy policy and still communicate with your friends. This also makes censorship much more difficult as removing content has to be done on a platform-by-platform basis. While there are obviously negative consequences to this, it prevents censorship from corrupt governments and businesses that don't want their questionable practices exposed. Finally, federated social networks are free and open source software, giving you the freedom to view the source code to make sure there is no malicious code and to create your own custom versions of the software. As anyone can become a host for a federated network, it makes it very difficult for these services to fail, as if one goes bankrupt, another can just take its place. Now let's talk about some of the currently operating federated social networks. Mastodon is a federated alternative to Twitter developed in 2016 by Eugen Rocco. It provides all of the same functionality as Twitter, however due to federation you can post, see and reply to toots, the Mastodon name for tweet, across the different providers. There are many different providers of Mastodon, some with differing rules and policies. The official instance at mastodon.social is not currently accepting new registrations as of recording this video. However, you can find others at joinmastodon.org. LBRY, pronounced library usually, is a federated alternative to YouTube. It uses its own cryptocurrency for all payments across the site, which are currently purchasable from many crypto exchanges. These credits can be used to purchase paid videos from creators, as well as to tip videos that you like. Tips cause the video to rank higher in the search results. This means that the videos can organically grow in the search rankings based on the value that the viewers assign it, which is a nice change from YouTube's mystery algorithm. Also, as the platform is free from ads, there are no large companies that can put pressure on Library, and no need to worry about being brand friendly. So are we going to see federated social networks replace the traditional ones? Well, for people to move, they need a great incentive to do so. Being federated alone isn't going to be enough to encourage the average user to move. This is why I don't believe that Mastodon will be very successful. Library, on the other hand, provides a service that current YouTubers should seriously consider using, given the current ongoing YouTube drama surrounding the algorithm and demonetisation. If enough creators move, the users will eventually start moving. There is a realistic chance that Library can cripple the YouTube monopoly.